Removal and installation of the auto strap chock. We've already done the front tire. The chock is on the back side of the front tire. We're doing the rear here. The chock is low profile, quick, and simple to use. Clip it in on the front side of the back tire. Then you can use most E-track fittings, idlers, or what have you. There's different options. On the other side, here I'm going to ratchet it up. It's going to pull the chock against the tire, locking it down. This will prevent any movement frontwards or backwards